Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome. My name is Stephanie, and today's video is number, I'll put it right here, of my 25 days of YouTube video uploads. And this look was inspired by the Victoria's Secret models. Their looks are always so stunning, so feminine, so just all about the skin and looking more youthful and just looking perfect. So that was my inspiration for today's makeup, and if you want to see how I created it, keep on watching. Apply this primer, and it is by Smashbox, and it's their Photo Finish Water Primer. And the foundation that I'm going to be using today is Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Foundation. And this is my favorite when I'm trying to just get a nice, natural, healthy glow. Because for one, it's one of my, the color is almost perfect to my skin complexion. And it has the most beautiful natural finish, I find, but still covers all your imperfections, but without ever looking cakey. It is more telling that you're wearing makeup than if it doesn't match. And if you're wearing your hair up, also go and apply it on your ears. I went to sleep at 3 in the morning yesterday, and I look like I slept for 2 hours. So the E20 brush, and this is my everything. Like, this is my favorite concealer brush ever. It's like effortless. Now, to set everything in place, I'm going to be using Laura Mercier translucent powder. And I'm going to be using this brush. It's also by Laura Mercier, and it is her glow powder. This one came with the new glow high translucent powder, and this brush is everything. It has become my favorite brush for setting the under eyes because of its shape. It hugs the eye area perfectly and just spreads the right amount of powder so that it's never cakey, it's never too much. Film Star Bronze and Glow, also by Charlotte Tilbury. Just for reference, this is what they look like. This is the light to medium, and this is the medium to dark. Now, I do enjoy this this palette very much for an overall bronze and glow, but it's not good for contouring. However, the light to medium works really good. Like, I've been using it non-stop since I received the package. Even with my tan in Mexico, I was still able to use it for contouring. And you can see I'm going to go in with this brush by Morphe, and it does not have a number. Doesn't have a number, you guys. I'm going to use that same powder, and I am going to warm up the eyes, contour the eyes, but also I am going to define my nose a little bit more. So that I wipe off whatever excess of that translucent powder I might have. And I'm going to go in with Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1. Warm up my skin. I'm also going to be using the same one, but for dark to medium to dark skin. And I'm going to use this one. Now, this is not matte as the other one is, so actually I need a bigger brush. I'm going to use a big brush, a big powder brush, and this is Morphe R1, because this I'm going to use just to add like a, oh, I do love this, just like an overall bronzer. It's like the perfect color. So now that my face is warm up, I am going to use that same brush and also But in this case, I'm just going to apply it more on the lid. And because it has a little bit of glitter, I'm going to use my finger now. Very light amount of shimmer. It looks beautiful on the eyes. Put on some of this highlighter here. I'm going to do a little bit more to my eyes, and I'm going to be using NARS palette. And this is NARS Atomic Blonde palette. Right here, Galapagos is my favorite color and one of the first eyeshadows that I ever bought. You can see it. And I'm just going to use my fingers. Highlight my inner eyes. I'm going to use this one here. And this one is Icon. And it's such a beautiful highlighting shade. I'm going to put that same color underneath my brow. Now I'm going to curl my lashes before applying mascara. Mascara, I'm going to be using Full Fat Lashes, also by Charlotte Tilbury. Believe it or not, I also base which mascara I use on how easy it comes out at night. Because sometimes, yeah, they're great, they're long lasting, but then you look like a raccoon for a few days because it doesn't come off. And this mascara doesn't do that, and I love that. I love that. For eyeliner, I am using the Feline Flick. A little bit of color on my bottom lash line. I'm going to be using the same NARS palette and using first the bronzer that it comes in the palette. Okay, and now I'm going to use that same color that we used on the lid. And this happens to have all of my favorite colors. I went with this one here in the corner. I'm applying it on my cheeks. Before I put my lipstick on, I'm going to spray a little bit more of Too Faced Hangover RX. I'm gonna use my Lip Cheat, and this is in the color Pink Venus. Line and also just put it all over my lips. Now to add some more dimension to my lip before I apply a lipstick, I'm going to go in with a darker color. Let me see what I have here. I think I have Whirl by MAC. For lip color, I'm going to be using Pillow Talk. It's one of Charlotte Tilbury bestseller. And this is the finished look. I would apply lashes, but I am in a rush. I have to be in my car in 15 minutes and I still have to get the kids ready. So I'm gonna be late. Guys, thank you so much for watching, and again, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and why not leave a comment? And I'll see you guys tomorrow. Have a blessed day. Victoria.
Just start it over.
Hey! I created the teeth makeup on my teeth every time. Guys, so okay.